Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel Power of AEM. In this video, we are going to talk about architecture of connected asset, and we are ensuring we are doing all this discussion only on AEM as a cloud service. Before moving to the architecture point, I would like to request everyone to please do subscribe my channel so you will always get the latest videos. And as you know, I'm working on the latest technologies and the changes on AEM. So you will be always competitive by subscribing this channel. So feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, press the bell icon. Thank you, everyone. Let's move on our agenda and talk about the AEM connected asset architecture. Let's first talk about what you not need to do in terms of architecture. As we discussed in previous video when we were talking about the overview and different use cases. So based on that, we understood we should not have multiple asset environments, and one site environment cannot consume all the asset environment. That is not feasible, and the configuration is not designed in such a way. So this kind of architecture will never work for you. Let's talk about one-on-one mapping architecture between your asset and sites. So for example, you are having one asset instance and one site instance, and considering you are doing the configuration between both the environments, in that case, you are having separate AEM site instance and having a separate asset instance. In that case, also you can do the one-on-one mapping. Same for other AEM and asset instances. But when you are talking about, or when we are discussing about one-on-one mapping, website cannot utilize the assets which are available on any other dam, remote dam environment. So this is one of the possible architecture. The another possible architecture where you are having one AEM asset environment and multiple websites hosted on different AEM platforms, or you can say some websites are on AEM cloud service, some are on managed services. In that scenario, also you can leverage the remote dam. By using this type of architecture, you are ensuring you are reutilizing all the assets across the websites, even those are hosting on different AEM platforms, but you can reutilize the assets. So it totally depends how you want to design your infrastructure, what are your overall use case, how you want to manage your business, and based on that you can take a decision which architecture is more feasible and suitable for you. I hope this video will be helping you in order to understand how you want to design your infrastructure and what architecture you need to think on in terms of connected asset. If you have any open question, feel free to drop on the comment box, and please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.